Munini wa musumbi na ulani Rigathi Gachagua niwaumya witano kuyene nthi methiitwe na ngwatanio na mayikithia kana ni mathingati ya muuo na kutwaisya maandamano matena ithokoo na kau. Gachagua inena niwakulya amuika ala meyita Gen Z maekane na ithokoo na mayungamia maandamano ala maitwaiisya niwatula muti ing'endile na inya ila siekulika miatianio ni na muuo na kuete ithokoo ukulyo kula kwi ene nthi mevetangane na ikundi i. Nilivoti yake namo.
Kwa makofi mazuri.
Aineenea kyathini cha mathimo ma mwitu inya wake muuo ya kauntini ya Laikipia. Munini wa musumbi Rigathi Gachagua niwakulya amuika na ala methiitwe Gen Z maekane na miatianio ila yithiitwe yukusiwa nzini wa siumwaili nzelu na vala yu miatianio na kusia wanangiko wa mali ya mwenenzi ung'i na vala ingi mavikite kwasia mathimo kumana na maandamano ama kuliana na usumbi wa William Ruto.
I want to, as a father, as a parent, to appeal to my children, my sons and daughters. Listen to us as your parents. I think if you agree, we want to plead with you to call off the protests so that criminals do not hijack them and engage in criminal activities. The president has already acceded to your plea to be heard, and you will be heard. But anytime now you call for protests, criminals with bad intent are hijacking and using that opportunity to loot, to steal, and to cause mayhem. As our children, you owe this country peace. Please consider, now that you have been heard, don't allow these criminals an opportunity to take advantage of what you had started in good faith with a message to the country, infiltrate and hijack and bring chaos to our beautiful country.
Rigathi ni wathingilila vata wa kwithwa na muuo yingi oweta kana serikali ni yiwite mawendekithio ma mwenenzi polo oweta tavema ng'endile mosete vuso ya miatianio kwikone na mituo ya kwananga mali ya mwenenzi.
Our country faces difficult moments, and as a deputy president, as a leader of this country, I want to call for peace and calm. I want to say that this is our own country, we have no other country. And I want to ask the people of Kenya to make peace, observe peace, and keep away from violence. The young generation, Gen Z, as your father, my sons and daughters, we have heard you. You've spoken very clearly. The message is home. What you started as peaceful protests, unfortunately, have been infiltrated and hijacked by criminals with criminal intent, who are now engaged in looting and creating mayhem.
Munini wa musumbi ni waweta kana vena mivango ya kuthinikia mawendekithio ama amuika na Kenya kwa vamwe walengi waweta kana ala maendeleo luanduthi ni mekoso matambe mavema kimiao othuthi amuika akumi na maandamano ano kenda nzi ya Kenya yone muuo.
Now that you have been heard, a mechanism is being worked on how the issues that you think needs to be addressed will be addressed. Once you call off your protests, then our security agencies will be in a position to deal firmly and decisively with criminals in accordance with the laws of this country. I want to ask our leaders, the way they have started here is a good beginning. Let's tone down. Let us bring down temperatures. Let us all build our country. We have only one country with one leader. Let us embark on peaceful coexistence among people so that we enjoy the fruits of our labor. A situation of chaos and mayhem is not conducive for people to carry on with their lives. That is my plea to all leaders in the country. It's my plea to our young generation. It's my plea to everybody to understand and appreciate that we don't have another Kenya, we only have one Kenya. And we all must do what we should to make sure that there's peace and harmony in the country so that we are able to lead a good life.
Ripoti ya Mlingwa Movo Nilina Musangi.